Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Hisense J1-06 remote controller. Overview. 1. On-off button. 2. Mode button. 3. Fan button. 4. 5. Room temperature setting buttons. 6. Smart button. 7. Swing button. 8. Sleep button. 9. I feel button. 10. Super button. 11. Clock button. 12. 13. Timer on-off button. 14. Dimmer button. 15. Swing button. Remote controller. How to insert the batteries. Remove the battery cover according to the arrow direction. Insert new batteries, making sure that the plus and of the battery are matched correctly. Reattach the cover and slide it back into position. Storage and tips for using the remote controller. The remote controller may be stored and mounted on a wall with a holder. How to use. To operate the room air conditioner, aim the remote controller at the signal receptor. The remote controller will operate the air conditioner at a distance of up to 7 meters when pointing at the signal receptor of the indoor unit. Operation instructions. Operation modes. Airflow direction control. Smart mode. Press the smart button. The unit enters smart mode directly regardless of whether the unit is on or off. In this mode, temperature and fan speed are automatically set based on the actual room temperature. For the split-type models, such as wall-mounted air conditioners and some floor-standing air conditioners, their operation mode and set temperature should be determined based on the indoor temperature. Super mode. Timer mode. It is convenient to set the timer on with the timer on button when you go out in the morning to achieve a comfortable room temperature at the time you get home. You can also set a timer off at night to enjoy a good sleep. How to set the timer on. The timer on button can be used to set the timer programming as wished to switch on the appliance at your desired time. Press the timer on button, on noon flashes on the LCD, and you can press the buttons to select your desired time for the appliance on. When your desired time is displayed on the LCD, press the timer on button and confirm it. After the set timer is displayed for 5 seconds, the clock will be displayed on the LCD of the remote controller instead of the set timer. How to cancel timer on. Press the timer on button again. A beep can be heard, the indicator disappears, and the timer on mode has been cancelled. Sleep mode. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.